Hey, hopefully it's recording, and what I'll be filming today is just the pre-flight inspection. I got the GoPro camera I'm going to put on my head so you can watch me do this pre-flight. Hopefully it looks okay when I'm doing it. First, master switch. Make sure we got power to the aircraft. And then what we'll do is we'll lower the flaps. We'll turn on the landing light and the beacon light. We'll go take a look at that outside, make sure it's on and working. Yeah, the landing light's on. And the beacon light is working, so that's good. Make sure we turn both of those off. Turn the master off. We'll remove the control yoke lock, or the gust lock, which is the colloquial term for it. Put that back in the flight bag. First thing I like to do is just to check the quantity. And when I turn the master on, the fuel looked pretty good, but we'll check it manually as well. Make sure that the gauges are working pretty good. What you got to do is you got to climb up here on top of the wing, and then you take this little rod and you put it in here. And we got 15 gallons on this, size 16. Oh, about 18 gallons on the right wing, so we're good. 34 gallons almost. 34. Then after we've done that, we'll check the quality of fuel. Make sure there's no sediments or any deposit or anything. Fuel looks good. Looks clean. And then what I like to do after we finished all that up is head out to the front, just kind of back up and get a good look at the plane, and make sure the wings aren't sagging or anything, and then we'll start out here at the front and we'll look inside the engine cowling, make sure there's no oil or birds or anything. The filter looks clean, the front strut looks in good condition. Propeller doesn't seem to have any big nicks or anything. Then we'll come over here and we'll check the oil. That's good. We got almost 8 quarts. We'll pull the little fuel drain and make sure there's no water in the gas. And then we'll come over here and we'll just take another look at the plane. We'll walk around the wing, make sure there's no dents or anything like that. Come over here, check the aileron. Check the flaps, make sure there's no cracks or anything like that, and Check this, make sure it's secure. Like to come over and just make sure this wing strut right here, you know, is secure and in place. Make sure the tires are full of air and that the brakes don't have any damage to them and that they're going to be able to stop us. Then here we like to check the empennage of the plane to make sure it's, you know, in good condition, no dents or anything or holes. Come back over here and check the elevators. They look good. Normally we'd untie the tail right now, but the previous flyers just got done, so we just tied down the left wing. Take a look underneath, make sure there's nothing sticking out or anything, no damage. And we'll come back to the other wing. We'll just take a good look at it. Make sure there's nothing wrong with it, no dents or holes or anything like that. Check this aileron, make sure it works good. Check this flap, make sure it's okay. No cracks. Alright, this wing strut looks good. Right here, brakes are fine, tires got air in it. And we should be good to go. So we just untie this. And we'll be ready to fly. Hit myself in the face with the rope, but that's okay. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video on the pre-flight of a 1976 Cessna 172M. Thank you.